What's up, y'all? Quick check-in. So, I'm back, but not even back. Just, I'm here. I have been in a sunken place. Can't even lie. It feels like I am living in hell. It feels like I'm living somebody else's world, in somebody else's world, somebody else's life. I don't feel like I have much control. And me learning how to release control, I just don't feel like I have the control in my life. But I do. And then when I realize how much control I actually do have on my actions, not necessarily on what happens, but on my actions, I be very just like this. I don't have no passion, I'm not inspired. I'm not executing what I want to deliver, and it's not coming out. It's not forming in my brain. Like, I am so confused on how I've got here. How have I gotten here? I'm very confused on how this person is here. Deanna talking about how she was getting jumped in 30. This 31. She's talking about her being taken out at 30. Baby, this 31. I've been getting through growing pains. And they don't talk about the pain. They don't talk about the pain. But I'm so grateful for those that the Most High be sending for you. Like, the people I have that at times I could actually take for granted. Not on purpose, but like, I could show it better, and I'm learning it. I'm so grateful for them. Oh, I'm just so grateful for my people. Because you really can't do this life thing by yourself. And I've been trying to, but I haven't. But I've been trying to do that. And I don't want to no more. Yeah, I don't want to, and I'm not going to. I've been afraid of this woman that's trying to communicate with me. And she's someone I don't know. And so I realize that I don't open up to a lot of new people quick. And I'm noticing that's happening even with myself. So I have to learn how to communicate better. And I'm doing that, and I'm starting that right now. Today, the shift has rised. Like, yeah, the light switch is on. It's on. So I'm here, and I'm grateful to be here. Yeah. All right, well, I'm about to go do some henna in the park, and just be. All right, cool. Bye.
I do different pop-ups, and I try to collaborate.
Like,
Put it on TikTok.
baby,
I don't mind at all.
right here. Yeah.
Look at this dog.
Come on. What's up, y'all? Hey, family.
Got it.
Look who it is. Look who it is.
Hey.
That's why I said when kids got my shit out of my hand and ran home to my granny.
Chicago and let's go actually.
Seaweed.
Seaweed. Big.
Oh yeah, I have
That
been.
son eat Dania up at sleep.
We found $10.
Girl, I would have.
Daddy!
I would show my nigga, but it's on the back. How about you guys?